How to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Steam Cloud Sync error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Steam and make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you can tap on the top left corner on Steam here, then head over to settings. After you head over to your settings, on the left sidebar, you'll find Cloud option. Tap on Cloud. Now here, make sure that Enable Steam Cloud is turned on. After you've done that, your Steam Cloud synchronization for applications will be supported. So make sure that you've turned this on. And even after you turn this on, if your cloud is still not syncing and if it's still facing error, what you can do is on this left hand side, you'll see a downloads. After you've seen your downloads, my bad, head over to storage. And after you're on your storage, tap on these three dots right here. Then tap on repair library. After you do that, simply repair your library, your Steam will restart, or it might restart after you've done that. I will not be doing that. So just do that and check if your problem is fixed. If that does not fix your problem, come back to your Steam, come back to your Steam settings, and head over to downloads. This is the last thing or the last option here. So head over here, and there you'll see an option called delete download cache or clear download cache. Simply tap on clear cache and confirm it. That will restart your Steam as well. But after doing that, your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.